Hi, my name is Sam Dhanasekaran and welcome to this Database Lessons video series. In this section, let us take a look into Oracle RDBMS Architecture. The information that will be provided in this section covers the latest version of Oracle RDBMS, which is Oracle 12c as of today, which is November 2015. Let us begin by quickly discussing about Oracle Instance and Oracle Database. This would help us to understand the architecture of an Oracle RDBMS system. So, let us take a computer and let's get to the point. A computer has a disk device where the files are stored. It also has RAM, which is also called memory. So let us take a quick and close look. Now we zoomed into the memory and disk storage. Now let me invoke Microsoft Word. The executable file is winword.exe and let's say that it's in C:/program of my computer. So when I run it, what do I see? I see an empty instance of Microsoft Word. It doesn't have any document file in it. Right now, this is just a structure that is present in the memory. Or I can call it as an instance of Microsoft Word. Now, using file open of Microsoft Word, let me open a document called plans.docx, which is there in the C:/my documents folder of my disk. Now, what happens in the memory? The Microsoft Word instance has opened the document called plans.docx. What you see in the memory is the combination of an instance and the document file. I mean, the instance has opened the document file. Now imagine that I've installed Oracle software in the folder C:/program/Oracle 12c and I start it. First of all, Oracle software is not just a single file. It's a set of files. Okay. Also, there are some additional components that are needed to start Oracle. We will talk about those things later. Now, let us keep this simple. So, I just start Oracle. What happens? It creates a plain Oracle instance in the memory. There is no data yet. It will be just a plain instance, much like the plain Microsoft Word instance before opening a document file. And its size depends on the initial parameter settings, which I will discuss later. It could be small like this, or it can be larger like this. It depends on the initial parameters. Now assume that I already have a set of database files in my folder C:/my documents/demodb/files, just like the document file called plant.docx. Plant.docx is a Microsoft Word document and these files are Oracle database files. That's the difference. I will talk about how I got or created these Oracle database files later. Okay, for now, just assume that I have these files. Now, using the Oracle instance, which is already running here, I can open these database files. Let us assume these set of files belong to a database called DemoDB. When I open these files, this means that the Oracle instance, right, has opened the database files belonging to the database, and the database is available for use. So we have a computer which has disk and memory. The disk contains files. It contains both software files and database files. Just like Microsoft Word's executable file and the document file, we have Oracle software here and database files here. When I run the Oracle software, it creates an instance in the memory, just like the empty Microsoft Word instance. Then using this plain Oracle instance, I open a set of database files belonging to a database called DemoDB. Now the database is up and running and is available for use. This memory structure is called as an instance. The files in the disks are called database files. We have an operational Oracle RDBMS system. That means that we have at least an instance online with database opened by it. So remember, when someone says that there is an operational Oracle RDBMS system which is available for use, that means that there is at least an instance online with a database opened by it. Thank you for watching.